What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the hybridracing bushing whatever I got from hybridracing, of course. But yeah, homie always here. Come on. Well yeah, we finna replace the bushings. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let's talk about like the bushings in here on the trans. If you guys have a case swap, of course you guys don't know about it. But yeah, we finna unbox it real quick.
I just started. There's still a lot more.
I'm so excited! I can't open it!
Shipped to Nick Gore.
Sheesh. Oh, the card came off. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This goes on like the gear selector. Here, dude, this shit look tight, huh?
Oh,
is that racing? It's fucking badass.
Yeah.
And then I also got the shift cable inserts that goes into like the on the shifter itself, because there's like some slack about it too. So I'm gonna install the gear selector bushings first, because that's the hardest one at first. So yeah. So first things first, I have hair clips as the thing that holds it. The main reason why is because hair clips are more stronger and durable than like the OEM clips, whatever. But yeah, first thing is that pliers. Pull these out. I'll just use my hands. I don't know why I got it probably. Dude, this shit's hella hot, dude. Take this out. I'm not sure if I should keep this. I don't think so, because I'm not using the OEM anymore. Oh, this shit's hella hot, dude.
Yeah, with the suck that we put outside, huh?
I know.
Would be even hotter.
Mm-hmm. So, the thing is to take this out, so. I hope I do it right, bro. I should probably watch the video. Easy as fuck. Never mind.
We'll start struggling, clip back to you. Easy as fuck.
Alright, the OEM's out. Dude, look how fucked that is. It's alright. But it's like, who knows how old.
There you go.
Okay, after 10 minutes of like struggling with this one, maybe I was just a bitch, but yeah, it was pretty tight. But yeah, we pretty much got the gear selector bushings on already and putting the clips in. So yeah, right there. I'm not sure you guys see right here, but yeah, looks good. And now I have to do the shifter cable inserts. It just goes onto the thing, so I'll show you guys in a bit. Okay, first off, you gotta put this part out. What the hell? That's your hella plastic. Okay, we'll come back when I figure this shit out.
Several days later.
Okay, so we got the left shifter or shift cable out, the bushing. This is the OEM one. It's still good, I guess. Hey, 20 bucks OBO. I'm just playing. But yeah, you put it this side. Make sure this the fighter side facing the other side, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, Mong got it in for me. He said he put it like this, right? You put it like that?
No, how do
I'll hold the camera.
since it was stuck, I just put the side of this and I pushed it to right here, and I just like push it
for my paint, fool.
Sorry, fool.
It's alright. It's already messed up anyways. But yeah, we gotta do this side now too, so yeah.
Just like that?
Oh yeah.
The fuck? Or do you want me to push all the way in?
I think it's fine. Shit come out. It's a tight ass fucking clip. That's so weird though. It's just a big ass clip. I think it shouldn't fly off. If it flies off, then I shit too fast. Too quick. Alright, now we gotta do this one, so yeah. Alright y'all. We finally got this like the shift cables inserts in there. And then we're gonna try it out. We're back. I'm gonna turn the GoPro for a bit because it's about to die now. But yeah, the install's pretty like, I'll give it
Damn.
But yeah, I'll give it like difficulty probably like what? What do you think? Like 5,000? 3D? 5 like being middle?
I'll get like 4.
4, yeah.
It wasn't too bad.
It wasn't too bad. You just gotta be patient.
Just some parts were just stiff as fuck.
Yeah.
Lava.
No, we don't run like that, but wait, no, wait. Okay. See you next time. What's good, y'all? This is the next day. sorry for not continuing the vlog yesterday, but you know, I just had like a long day. I actually went to work out today, yesterday too. Hit my PR, which is 155. It might not be a lot to you guys. I don't know if you guys care about like, you know, other stuff, but yeah, yesterday was pretty cool. I worked out with the homie Mong as always, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little like review. I'm actually headed to my my nephew's place to go help him with school and everything too. So yeah, I'll give you guys a review on the road. Hopefully y'all can see me, but so far it's not really like a oh my god difference to it, but it really is like a small like change to the like shifting, I guess. Like it just feels like more direct now, I guess. I'm not saying it wasn't before, but the small Delrin thing that goes on the shift cable itself insert makes it more like responsive, I guess, too. There's a plastic one, the OEM one, the yellow one I showed you guys yesterday. It's pretty like loose, it moves around a lot. And yeah, back to the bushings and everything. I really feel like it's a really good upgrade if you're on a budget. It's really subtle, it's a really small difference, but it really does a lot of difference too, in a way. Like I said, the insert that goes in the front cables, it's less play in it, so you won't have that, you know, feeling against too. And also the front shit, the bushings over there on the gear selector, I guess it makes a difference too, because the one that the bigger bushing, like on the right, I don't know, I forgot, the one that controls most of the gears, they have like a little ball that moves around, so it allows the bushing itself to move. So I feel that's good, because like when you do pulls or you do race, your motor flexes and you're still able to, you know, shift. And you, I don't know, I'm not sure if that's making any sense, but that's my theory. I guess I'll continue this vlog another day, or yeah, whatever I want to vlog again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this section of the like video, I guess, my little review on it. And yeah, see you guys on like whatever day. What's up, vlog? This is like almost an hour later. I actually went to the yard with Mong again. But yeah, I got some trunk shocks because my dumbass.
Who did that?
Hey, bro, Casper, bro. But my dumbass sprayed PB Blaster on the freaking shocks, so my dumbass, you know, whatever. Anyways, I got some used ones, which I probably should have got new ones anyways, but I was at the yard anyways, so oh well, one is not done. But yeah, I'm gonna put the shocks on and hopefully it goes well. I ain't gonna happen. This fool fucking tripped again.
Leave me alone.
Alright, good news. It's working again. Shout out to Mong, because I was being so impatient, bro. I was like, dude, this is trash, bro. Like I think this side, the freaking hella, what was it, like hella strip or whatever? Yeah, the net hella strip. Let me show you guys real quick. This is one of the right sides.
I think this one.
Yeah.
That one?
I don't know. Oh yeah, this one. But yeah.
Basically a circle.
It was really young. But yeah, Mong had faith in kept doing it. I just gave up, bro. I was like, well, I was about to give up, but I was like, whatever. But yeah, have a working trunk again. Cause every time I pull it up, that's just hella hard to take off, dude, or pull it up. So test it, Mom. Test it. Test for the vlog.
Yeah.
No, put it down.
All right now?
All the way down. Open
okay.
it. I feel happy bounce, man. But yeah, the plans are I'll probably tidy everything up and just want to work out or work out later.
We can work out now.
Okay.
This time.
For sure. I'm gonna show you guys like the daily routine. You know what I'm saying? Be healthy. Work on cars. You know, make music. That's fine. But yeah, I'll see you guys at Mom's place. So yeah. All right. Just got to Mom's place to work out, but I'm gonna show you guys the inserts. But yeah, these huge ass clips right here. Yeah, not much I can say because they're just inserts. So yeah, about to hit the workout session with mom real quick, and yeah.
I've been feeling lost ever since I lost you. You was my everything, but now I make moves. Thinking about you got me feeling like a fool. You was toxic, I was tripping over you. Yeah, I just be vibing, I don't gotta flex shit. Thankful for the homies, I just wanna make it. Don't you hit my phone up when you hear this. I know what I said, catch you when you're feeling.
Alright, we just ended our workout session. Yeah, that was a full day, right?
Yeah.
Full day. And yeah, good workout session. Yesterday was hella hard though. Yesterday was like, I advanced 155 yesterday. I probably answered a clip right here. But yeah, yesterday was like my huge PR. I told myself that I wanted to hit 160 this summer, but I don't know if you think Money can hit 160 soon? In like 2 weeks? Or you said 2 bench days?
You can hit it 1 week if you really want to.
1 week?
Yeah, 1 week. But
Yeah.
we'll go get paid still.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna close out this video. That's pretty much it, what I want to do with this vlog anyways. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time, please.